G'day, here's a larger parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. A lot of it's on black based potch, so you should get some nice bright colours with some of these pieces. Rules in millimetres down there, and material's been wetted. Okay, I've zoomed in a little bit. Like I say, the rules in millimetres. Some of the pieces are quite large. This piece over here is the largest. It must be about 60 centimetres long. Get the rule and have a look there for you. There you go, 60 millimetres, not centimetres. Some's only thin little pieces like this, but it's ready to make a nice little doublet out of it, I think. Here's this big bit. Blue potch. It's not super gemstone material. It's a big stone. Some of it might go onto that black. Other pieces like this, which is blue crystal. So bright, there's a few pieces of that in here. Potch, possibly some colour going in the middle there. Nice blue gem on the top there. I'm just picking these up. I haven't gone through the parcel myself yet, so just seeing the material for the first time. It's an interesting piece. Actually, the bar's going across the stone. But you have to make up your mind whether you want to have a big pendant sort of stone or try to cut it across the veins and end up with a few smaller stones. But it's a double layer of colour there with a potch line through the middle. Pinky red bit. Looks like basically potch that piece. There's another big blue piece. It's buried underneath the pile of other pieces. Might cut a big stone that way. Some of these pieces don't have much colour in it. It's been taken into account for the price. Dark blue potch, crystal. Little colour bar on the top of that. That way. There's a lot of pieces to look through. Pieces like that. And of course, the smaller bits, the pieces that you get nicer, quite often get nicer small stones out of. But anyway, I think you've got the idea. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.